In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to drive affiliate traffic with Tally.so links. To get started, open your browser, go to Tally.so, and sign into your account so you can access your dashboard. Once you're inside, the goal is to build a simple page that helps guide people toward your affiliate offer in a clean, professional way. From your dashboard, create a new form or landing page. You can start with a blank form or choose a template, depending on how quickly you want to set things up. As you build the page, keep it simple and focused. This page should introduce the affiliate product or offer clearly without overwhelming the visitor. Next, add a compelling headline. This is one of the most important parts of the page because it's the first thing people will notice. Make sure your headline highlights the main benefit of the product or service and speaks directly to what the visitor wants. A clear, benefit-driven message usually works better than something vague or overly clever. After that, include product information, add a short description of the affiliate offer, and explain the key features and benefits. This is your chance to give visitors enough context to understand why they should care. Focus on what makes the offer useful, valuable, or relevant to them. Now insert your affiliate link. You can do this by adding a button, a call to action, or a text link on the page. Then paste in your affiliate URL and double check that it sends users to the correct destination. It's always a good idea to test this carefully so you don't lose traffic because of a broken or incorrect link. If you want to collect leads before sending people to the offer, you can add form fields like name and email address. Then configure the form so that after someone submits their information, they're redirected to the affiliate page. This optional step can be helpful if you want to build an email list while also promoting the offer. Once the structure is ready, customize the form design, adjust the branding, colors, images, and layout so the page looks trustworthy and easy to use. Make sure it feels polished and also works well on mobile devices, since a large part of your traffic may come from phones. When everything looks good, publish the Tally form and copy the live form URL. Open the published version and test it from start to finish to confirm that the page, form behavior, and affiliate link all work properly. Then start sharing your Tally link across the channels you already use, like social media, blogs, online communities, and email campaigns. Wherever you place it, use a clear call to action so people know exactly why they should click. Finally, track performance by monitoring submissions, clicks, and affiliate conversions through your affiliate dashboard and analytics tools. Watch which traffic sources perform best, then optimize your page by testing different headlines, descriptions, and calls to action. As you learn what gets the best response, keep refining the page to improve conversions over time.